I'm not the one that's big on excuses. I'm not the one who's big on handouts or asking for something without putting something into the pot. And when it comes to having empathy, I'm not a big empathy giver. That's what it is. I lost all of that in prison. You know what I mean? I believe in survival or non-survival. And when you're on the survival side, you just do whatever it takes to survive. You don't complain. You just do what needs to be done. Point blank, period. In prison, I had two options. Out here, I got two options. That's how I maintain. In prison, it was be a man or get fucked in the ass. It's only two problems. The only two options I had to be a man or get fucked in the ass. Ain't nobody fucking me. Out here, be a man or starve. Be a man or starve. I'm gonna be a man and I'm gonna maintain. It's only two options. When you give yourself 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 10 reasons why something ain't going right, why you got to push this off, why you living this way because this happened and this hurt, kill all the excuses. Give yourself 2 excuses. You gonna live or you gonna die? You gonna die without anything that you're trying to accomplish, without reaching your goals. Just give up. You know what I mean? That's what a lot of people are doing now. That's why the suicide rate is so high. They just giving up, bam, taking themselves out, or cutting their throats, or taking pills, or cutting their wrists, because life is too rough for them. But they got the same options as me and you got. We can survive, or we can give up. So I just don't do with pity parties. I'm a welder, iron worker, field welder, ex-convict. So if you're looking for pity for me, I'm not the one that's gonna give it to you. Nothing I have ever received in life has been easy. Nothing. But I'm giving you information, I'm giving you game, but I'm not catering to your feelings, your emotions, because one thing I know about emotions, they change. You get pissed off about something now, and you'll be feeling another way about it, you know what I mean, tomorrow. That's what it is, man. So I don't really care about emotions, you know what I mean? In prison, we used to say, emotions get you fucked in the ass or it's gonna get you killed. You gonna have someone kill you while you sleep, or someone gonna try to rape you in the shower. So we don't deal with emotions, we deal with facts. We deal with survival, getting it how you live. And I keep those same principles because that's how I got out of there. That's how I'm doing what I'm doing now, because I chose to survive. It's your choice. You gonna survive? You need someone else to pet you on your back, or you gonna pet yourself on your back and make it happen, man? Stop having excuses. You don't need nobody else to encourage you. Encourage yourself. But use the information that others put out there so you can build you. Hog on.